Budgies are known to be very social animals to one another. There is a reason why they live in large flocks in the wild. But it might take time until they get comfortable and start bonding with you. Here are 5 signs on how to tell if your budgie likes you. The first sign is sprinting safely around you. Budgies preen and groom themselves constantly throughout the day, but they will only do it if they feel safe enough and can be off guard. If your budgie is preening itself while it's close to you, that means that it feels safe and trust around you. A scared budgie would never preen itself near it, and will most likely just stay still when you're close. The second sign is grinding its beak in your presence. If your budgies grind its beak near you, it means that it likes you and it feels comfortable and happy when you're around. The third sign is your budgie's eye contact with you. If you find your budgie staring at you from time to time and creating eye contact with you, it means that it's wanting your attention and it's a sign that it likes you. A loving budgie will always be very interested and curious about things you're doing around it. It will usually move its head to your direction in this funny way. The fourth sign is chirping towards you. A big part of being a budgie is to chirp all day long. But when your budgie starts to sing and chirp when you walk by its cage or get close to it, it means that it's calling you and probably wants your attention. Maybe for a scratch or a treat. The fifth sign that your budgie extremely likes you is allowing you to handle it. Even some of the most loving budgies aren't comfortable enough with being handled by their human companion. So when your budgie is climbing on you or sitting on your shoulder or head, it means that it's having a good time bonding with you. Keep in mind that your budgie doesn't have to be tame to like you. Skippy's not the most tame budgie, but I can really tell that he likes me because he's showing all of these signs.